Hi everyone, Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to Pinu's Flavors and Friends. Today we are making a super tasty and healthy snack, Crispy Okra in the air fryer. I have taken about 250 grams of fresh okra and sliced them into small pieces. For marination, I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, some red chili powder, a little chaat masala, salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of cornflour and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now mix everything well so that each okra piece is nicely coated with the spices and flours. After mixing all the dry ingredients with okra, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a little bit of water for properly mixing it with the okra. Let it sit for a few minutes so the flavors blend beautifully. Next, switch on the air fryer, select air fryer mode, set the time for 10 minutes and temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, then press start. Once you see the art food instruction, open the tray and spread the okra evenly. After 5 minutes, open it again, gently toss or flip the okra with a tongue or spatula and spray a little oil for that extra crispiness. After 10 minutes, the cooking is done. Just look at that perfectly crispy golden brown okra with very little or no oil. Transfer it in a bowl and sprinkle a pinch of chaat masala on top and you are ready to serve. You can enjoy this delicious crunchy okra as a side dish with rice or as a guilt-free evening snack. You can prepare this recipe using other vegetables as per your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and flavorful recipes from Pinu's Flavors and Friends. See you in the next video.